There is some controversy surrounding the actual bite force of a lion, with estimates varying widely among experts. Some studies suggest a bite force of up to 1000 psi, while others claim it is closer to 600 to 700 psi. Additionally, there are factors such as age, health, and sex that may impact a lion's bite force, making it difficult to determine an exact measurement. But if the lion's bite force really is 650 psi, then there are some dog breeds that have bite forces stronger than that of a lion. So let's see which of the dog breeds can rival the bite force of a lion. If you know of any other dog worth mentioning in this video, please let us know in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe and like our video. And while you are here, we have awesome collars and dog leashes in the description box below. Check it out and make your pup happy today. Do you think your dog has made the list? Let's see if you own one of these dogs. When it comes to the PSI of dog bite force and dog bite force comparison chart, these breeds are certainly among the top contenders when facing a lion. The Kangal, originally from Turkey, is a breed known for its size and protective instincts. They have a bite force of around 743 psi, making them one of the strongest dog breeds in the world. Kangals were bred to protect livestock from predators like wolves, bears, and jackals. They have a muscular build, and their bite force chart places them at the top of the list. The bandog, a crossbreed of various mastiff breeds and bulldogs, has a bite force of around 730 psi, making them another one of the strongest dog breeds in the world. Bandogs were bred for their strength and tenacity, making them ideal for tasks like guarding property and hunting. The Cane Corso, an Italian Mastiff, has a bite force of around 700 psi. They are known for their muscular build and protective nature, originally bred to guard property and livestock. They have a reputation for being loyal and affectionate to their owners. The Caucasian Shepherd, originally from the Caucasus Mountains, has a bite force of around 700 psi. This is a canine whose bite power is not to be messed with. They were bred to protect livestock from wolves and other predators, making them fiercely protective and loyal to their owners. So there you have it. The Kangal, the Bandog, the Cane Corso, and the Caucasian Shepherd have some of the strongest dog bites in comparison to the lion. These breeds have unique histories and characteristics and should not be taken lightly. We hope this video was informative. So give us a thumbs up before you leave. We hope to see you soon in our next video. And until then, take care.